Okay, I want to show y'all something. I have a customer who wants me to open up this jacket because it's going to be too small for her, but she likes the jacket. Didn't really want to cut it, but here goes. I'm going to show y'all. So when I need to do this, I just cut right up that seam right there. Sometimes you got to go a little slow to get through that thick denim. So I'm just going to keep moving up. And you can see that splitting open. And what I'm needing is some more space in there. I'm not gonna cut the whole jacket. I'll cut up the sleeve a little bit to give me that room that I need. And so then what I'm going to do is just take this piece of denim or another piece of denim, whatever you have, or you could do a floral cotton in there. I would double or triple it. You want it to be the same weight as what you're fooling with right there. So at this point, what I would do is just cut me a nice little triangle piece out of this denim, and then I am going to put it behind here like this. Okay, so that's just kind of showing y'all what it might look like. Hopefully it'll look a little better than that, but there we go. So I'm not going to open it too much, but something like that. And then what I'm going to do is I'm going to pin it in place, and then I'm just going to do stitching right on top of here, either a zigzag or a straight stitch, doing my funky stitching. So if you need to open up a shirt or a jacket, now you know how to do it.